The senior minister of Webster Memorial United Church has issued a strong call to members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to ensure they do not lose the public's trust. Reverend Astor Carlisle warns that its erosion could create serious security risks and make policing far more difficult. More from Shamela Pullen.
Men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force recently gathered in St. Andrew for a time of worship. During the service, Reverend Astor Carlisle, senior minister of Webster Memorial United Church, challenged officers to stay true to their values and professional identity. His remarks come amid a marked increase in police fatal shootings, a development that has triggered fresh national discussions on police accountability, professionalism, and the critical importance of public confidence in law enforcement.
When there is public trust, then security becomes everybody's business. And working alongside the agents of the state becomes easier. So I wonder if Shamgar, through his life, could be saying to every one of us today that we each of us should invest in matters of integrity.
The pastor further cautioned against foolish or inappropriate behavior outside the force, even in social settings.
You cannot mingle with the crowd. You are called to a higher standard. And when the rubber hits the road, when the requirement of character shows up itself, we can't take off our uniform and mingle with the crowd because we know who we are. Could you tell the person beside you, know who you are?
He also stressed that the JCF cannot succeed in isolation. Therefore, he's calling for strong stakeholder backing and active public support to effectively carry out its mandate.
With the kind of criminal elements that we are now facing in this changing world, they are becoming more savvy in their criminality. The JCF doesn't need wimps and worrywarts. The JCF doesn't need naysayers and nitpickers as part of the team. In this climate, JCF needs strategic thinkers and solution-oriented workers at every level to bring to the table various approaches to make this entity a more stable entity.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Still to come.